Growing an email list can be tricky. The number of subscribers you can get per day depends on the type of content you publish, the niche you are in, the number and source of visits, and many other factors. There are proven techniques that you can use to maximize the number of people who sign up for your list. And this is exactly the purpose of this video. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share some quick tips and tricks that you can use to increase the number of subscribers to your e-newsletter and other email updates. Number 1, attract the right traffic to your blog. No matter what your email marketing goal is, whether it is to sell your products or promote your services or just drive repeat traffic, it is hard to achieve that goal if you are not attracting the right traffic. You might have a popular blog post that gets a lot of traffic, but if those visitors don't sign up for your email list, then they may not be interested in everything you have to offer. Make sure that when you create blog post ideas, your topics must focus on what your specific target audience wants to read. If you want to attract the right audience and encourage them to subscribe to your email list, make sure you focus on the proper keywords. Number 2, add CTA at the end of article. Readers who reach the end of your article are primed. Your headlines grab their attention, the introduction drew them in. Out of millions of articles they could have read, they read yours. And they read until the very end. They really liked your post. This is why at the end of your article, it is the perfect time to ask them to join your mailing list. Adding a call to action in your author bio and at the end of each article is a great way to strike when the iron is hot. Readers who make it to the end of your articles are focused. They are engaged and looking for direction. Direct them to your email subscription list. Number 3, offer a special subscribers only incentive. Another great way to generate more opt-ins is to give subscribers exciting access to some kind of offerings, whether it is free content, coupon, resources, a PDF, a white paper, it can be anything. For example, if you offer industry specific white papers on your website, include a spot on that page that states, get access to exclusive guides that are not available anywhere else on this website, sign up below, or give first time subscribers a special gift. Just make sure you keep your promise. Number 4, make it easy to subscribe. Where you place the email registration box is very important. For best results, make sure that the registration box is in the main content of the page. You can have it within your content, below, or on the top of your page or article. Number 5, encourage people to forward your newsletter. It might seem outdated, but why not? If you want a particular email to get a strong reaction, you should encourage your subscribers to forward that email. But if you are going to use this method, you need to keep few things in mind. First, make sure you have a way for new people to sign up. And second, make sure that recipients of the forwarded emails do not click the unsubscribe button. They remove the original recipient from the email, not themselves. As long as you can include details on both of those factors in the email, asking your loyal existing customers to forward the email can be a great way to find like-minded prospects. Maintaining and growing an email list is as important as promoting your website on social media. Not only it is a great way to increase your blog traffic, but it is also a very effective way to increase sales and interactions. If you have used any other methods that made a difference in your email subscription rates, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.